everyone, welcome to the second chapter of cloud computing. In the previous video, we talked about traditional or on-premises data center, introduction to cloud computing, and advantages of cloud computing over on-premises. In this video, we will see about types of cloud computing and applications of cloud computing. Based on the deployment, cloud is classified into three types: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. First, we will see about public cloud. Public clouds are managed by third-party companies or cloud providers. They are multi-tenant environments, which means the users share compute resources that are provisioned and allocated to individual tenants. This means that multiple tenants' workloads might be running on a shared physical server at the same time. However, each cloud tenant's data is logically isolated from that of other tenants. Users can go for public cloud when the user doesn't want to invest a huge amount in upfront cost, or if the user has a sudden requirement of huge computing power and storage, or when the user's business requirement has unpredicted server and storage usage, and the user doesn't want to take the responsibility of hardware maintenance. And next, the private cloud. Private cloud are the computing resources that are dedicated and exclusively used by a single business or organization. A private cloud is a single-tenant computing infrastructure and environment, meaning the organization using it doesn't share resources with other users. It can be either physically located at your organization's on-site data center, or it can be hosted by a third-party service provider. Users can go for private cloud when the user is ready to set up data center, which requires a huge upfront investment, or if the user has a pre-existing resource, and the resources used by the business are predictable, or the users maintain legacy applications which are difficult to migrate to the public cloud, and the specific governance and regulatory requirements which make mandatory requirements of companies to maintain their own servers. Coming up to next is the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is the computing environment that combines a public cloud and a private cloud. Organizations gain the flexibility and computing power of the public cloud for basic and non-sensitive computing tasks, while keeping business-critical applications and data on premises. In simple words, the organizations take advantage of additional resources in the public cloud. Next, we will see about the types of cloud computing based on the servicing model. It is classified into infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. To host an application in on-premises, the company must deploy applications, data, runtime, middleware, operating system, virtualization, servers, storage, and networking. In on-premises, the user must take care of all by themselves. In infrastructure as a service, the cloud vendor takes the responsibility of virtualization, servers, storage, and networking. Only the compute, storage, and networking resources, that is, only the infrastructure, will be provided by the cloud provider, which eliminates the need to maintain the IT infrastructure. Here, the user has more control over the configuration of their cloud resources. In platform as a service, additionally, the cloud provider takes care of runtime, middleware, and operating system. The user manages only the applications and services they develop, and the cloud service provider typically manages everything else. In software as a service, everything will be taken care of by the cloud provider. It can be simply said as software delivery over cloud. That is, the SaaS provider is responsible for operating, managing, and maintaining the software and the infrastructure on which it runs. The customer simply creates an account, pays a fee, and gets to work. In simple words, infrastructure as a service provides only a computing resources. For example, Amazon S3, also known as Simple Storage Service, provides object storage service. And platform as a service provides a development platform. For example, AWS Lambda, which lets you run code for virtually any type of application or back-end service without provisioning or managing servers. And finally, the software as a service is provided as fully developed software for business uses. For example, Office 365 is SaaS offering for Microsoft. In this video, we have seen about types of cloud based on deployment, types of cloud based on service model, and applications of cloud computing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.